Allora, propongo 4 pezzi miei e una cover dei Foo Fighters, come richiesto dal regolamento. Ho scritto questi pezzi, adesso li sto provando per la prima volta da sola, visto che ho fatto solo un paio di concerti con solo me stessa, e poi l'intenzione è quella di riformare un gruppo, di portarli in giro con una formazione, con un gruppo vero e proprio.
Summer cigarettes, there's something changing. There's a storm tonight, but I don't mind it. I will look up on the stars to see if I can find yourself again. Summer cigarettes, my legs are dancing with the rhythm of my heart is beating. I'm not sure if it's because I'm angry, because it's just July. Summer cigarettes, my legs are shaking. I realize it's just because I'm sitting. Wanna travel above the sky and without anything below of me, anything beside of me. I'm dying tonight, I'm dying this time, but it's not too bad, 'cause I'm alive anyway, 'cause this is just myself. So I'm here, it's Sunday morning and I saw you yesterday with any girlfriend. It's okay, I made mistakes, I hope you're happy now without me there. I'm a summer cigarette, I smell bad, like a dog I bought for nothing, and I pray my Lord to keep me away from all the things that are just killing me, things that are just fooling me. I'm dying tonight, I'm dying this time, but that's not too bad, 'cause I'm alive anyway, 'cause this is just myself. I'm a summer cigarette, I smell bad, like a dog I bought for nothing, and I pray my Lord to keep me away from all the things that are just killing me, things that are just